Continuing our journey, we climb the hill to the world's largest ancient castle complex, the legendary Prague Castle. The spiritual heart of the complex is St. Vitus Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece that took nearly 600 years to complete. Inside, light dances through incredible stained glass, illuminating centuries of history and the final resting place of kings. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Golden Lane, with its miniature houses, was once home to castle guards and goldsmiths, and even Franz Kafka. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. We explore the old royal palace, where the Grand Vladislav Hall once hosted indoor jousting tournaments for knights on horseback. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Join us for the final part.